it's unicorn _lover me. But before I get started, I just want to tell you guys something. From now on, we aren't unicorn lovers. I'm gonna call you guys unicorns. So, yeah, let's restart this thing. Hello, unicorns. Let's get started. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be making slime. I gotta sneeze. Sorry, I'm sick. I got blood balls. I'll be right back. It's not working. Oh. Okay guys, so that's what I was saying. I'm going to be making slime. So what you'll be needing is some hand soap and salt. That's all you'll be needing. And you'll need something to mix with and something to mix in. So, yeah. So just pour however much you want in a bowl. Just to see if it works, I'm pouring in a little bit. And you're just going to mix that up first. I never did this before. I'm at my dad's house. So now you want to pour your salt in. This is a weird salt. I feel like that. Don't pour in too much salt because it will make it watery. Well, it's sticking. It's right there. Okay, after you're doing that, let's see if it's touchable. So let's see if I can. This is really fun. I got a little bit of my hand. So it will melt. You just have to put it in the fridge for like 10 to 15 minutes. But I'm not going to. No, put it in for like 5 to 10 minutes, then it will be slime. And every time it melts, just keep putting it in the fridge or the freezer. See that? It's all the slime. Yeah, but that's how you make slime. So, just gotta go make some slime.